Well, volatility continues to be the word in this marketplace. The Dow and the S&P completely wiped out their losses today. The Nasdaq almost finished green on the day. The Dow had been down 360 points earlier today. The S&P was down almost 2%. The Nasdaq was down 3.9%, dropping below its 50-day moving average intraday for the first time since November 3rd, and then rallied almost all the way back. Certainly are seeing this inflation overhang, but Fed Chairman Powell today testified to Congress, and he said that, you know what, inflation, it's still not here. The economic recovery, highly uncertain, and basically continued the same path of saying that the Fed is going to do whatever it can to support this market and keep interest rates low. Energy and financials really helped support the market today. In fact, energy was up 2% and is now up 27% on the year. The 10-year bond held steady today for the first time in a while, right around 1.36, still up 28 basis points for the year. Yesterday, ES option data, heavier call buying than we have seen recently, and this was even on a big down day. 388,000 options, ES options traded yesterday. Total 64% of them were puts, 36% calls. The volume leader on the day, the March 4,000 calls traded 7,200 times. With the elevated volatility, actually, we saw big time elevated volatility during the day, ebb a little bit towards the end of the day, but ES options now pricing in a move to the end of this week in the S&Ps of about $53. And talk about volatility, vol-Q options, so in the NASDAQ space, had actually peaked today around 32 before settling in lower on the day around 25 or so. The Bitcoin sell-off continues. It deepens. Some of this on the heels of Janet Yellen's comments and, quite frankly, maybe some panic selling once word kind of got out here. But regardless, we saw today one of the largest volume contract days at the CME, almost 30,000 CME Bitcoin futures contracts traded today. Right now, Bitcoin's down about 10%, trading around 47,000.